Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how you can add VAT validation field inside your Shopify checkout. Collecting and validating the VAT is very important, especially if you are inside Europe, because businesses buying from one country to another and having a valid VAT, they can have the reverse charge applied, which means they won't pay the VAT in the buyer's country, but they will later pay it in their own country. And previously, this has been really a pain and was only solvable by using Shopify Plus or third-party apps. But last week, Shopify made the VAT field available inside all checkouts, and that includes the basic plan, which is awesome. So if you want to enable it, go to your store settings, checkout, and there is a field named Company VAT number. So select optional. If you are doing that, I also recommend using the company name because those two, they typically goes along together. I'm now on our German store and I will go to checkout. And as you can see, the field name is here, but there is no VAT field. So the reason why is that the VAT field doesn't behave in the same way as all the other fields, and it only becomes visible once you enter the postcode. So I've entered the postcode, and you can see that the VAT field appeared here, which is kind of weird because it's not the part of the form. And when I enter German VAT number, Shopify automatically validates it, which takes a couple of seconds. You can see the VAT is valid, but what I couldn't get going is the actually applied being the reverse charge. You can see that the VAT has changed from 79 cents to 0, but for some reason the total wasn't adjusted. I already reported this to Shopify and I hope they'll fix this. Another thing which isn't working yet is actually taking the VAT from the order information. It's not accessible from the API, so you cannot pass it to your invoice. Again, I hope that's something Shopify will work on, and essentially the VAT field will behave the same way as any other field in the checkout. But nevertheless, this is a great step towards being more localized, especially if you are a European seller. Now let's finish the order to see how the VAT looks inside the Shopify order details. So here is my test order. As you can see, the VAT is not part of my shipping address or billing address. It's visible here. And if you look inside the order JSON, it's not actually even stored there. So the only way how you can see it is here. What's good is that the VAT is being passed to the customer details. So if I go to my customer profile, you can see that the VAT is stored here. I hope this was useful to explain how you can add the VAT field inside your Shopify checkout. Please let me know how it works for you. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify changes, please subscribe to our channel.